While artificial intelligence offers immense potential for innovating the workplace, it is essential to address potential concerns and challenges. One significant concern is the impact of AI on job displacement. As AI automates certain tasks, some job roles may become obsolete. However, history has shown that technological advancements often lead to the creation of new job opportunities. Organizations must proactively invest in retraining programs to ensure employees are equipped with the necessary skills to thrive in the AI-driven workplace. Another challenge is the ethical use of AI in the workplace. As AI systems make decisions and recommendations, issues such as bias and privacy must be carefully considered. Transparent and accountable AI algorithms are crucial to ensure fairness and prevent unintended consequences. Establishing robust guidelines and regulations for AI development and deployment can help address these ethical concerns and foster trust in AI technologies. Thank you for watching. Please select the links in the video description to find additional workplace applications of artificial intelligence technology. And don't forget to subscribe to our AI Tools and News channel. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date. If you know of a great AI product or tool, please subscribe and comment below. If you are an AI tools developer, please visit pampermenetwork.com and submit your free listing. Bye for now.